Hello there, YouTube world. Today we are working on a Mercury Mariner 2010. Again, I am really not a mechanic, but I just felt the urge to, I guess, look at a couple of sites, and I came to the conclusion that if you want to find an exhaust leak in your vehicle, I'm going to show you some steps that I learned, which is actually really cool. I set some things up, and I'm going to let you see what is it that I did so that you can figure it out. You know what I'm saying? You're going to see what I did, and then you're going to see if you can do it too. Okay, first of all, I'm going to try to do this without you guys seeing my license plate. As you can see, I put a hose, right? This is a shop vac. So I use the shop vac hose. I put my hose inside of the hole from my shop vac. I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna bring it back down and around. That's my shop vac. I got it plugged in. And what I did was I jacked up the car, and I'm gonna show you how I jacked it up. I found somewhat of the middle spot, jacked it up, put two jack stands under there. Okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that I found a couple of leaks. So I'm going to take you on a tour underneath the vehicle while the shop vac is on, pushing air through the system. Trying to do this like pretty simple. I don't know how much it costs to for you to get this done at a shop, but I figured out a way. Well, actually I didn't figure it out. I actually copied off another another YouTube site. But I'm going to try to at least give it to you the way I'm doing it. So first of all, I jacked up the car. These Mercury Mariners are pretty high anyway, but I jacked it up a little more because I got some belly. So my belly is like a little, sticking out, like probably 2 or 3 months pregnant. So, okay, what I did was I went to O'Reilly Auto Parts and I purchased, let's see, let me bring this out for you. I purchased this from Walmart, and this is like I guess sandpaper. It's like a sand kit, so you could kind of like take off some rust if you need to. And I also purchased a couple of other things. Now I purchased this from O'Reilly Auto Parts. This is a tiger patch. This is a patch that you can pretty much wrap around like a pipe or something like that, if it's like a hole on a pipe. So far in this case, I've seen that it's not on an actual pipe, it's actually on a crease, and it's pretty bad. And I didn't think it was going to work, but when I put that shop back on and I went under, boy, was there a lot of exhaust leaking from there. So I was smelling a lot of exhaust in the vehicle. We've been doing that for the past couple of months. And we needed to get that done because that smell is definitely not good for you to be breathing. So I bought this just in case it was a pipe and I can utilize this. And on here, it will show you the instructions on how to do it because, again, I haven't read the instructions yet, but I will soon. And I also purchased, see what we have here. This, it's kind of like a putty. And again, I have not ever used this, but I'm going to use it, and I'm going to try and see if I can probably pause the video and then let you know how I did it or something. But at least I'm going to give you, I've given you some information on how to fix it. I don't know how viral this YouTube thing is going to get, but it doesn't really matter to me. I just decided to do it just in case you needed to save a couple of bucks. So yeah, as you can see, it has all the instructions in the back and everything. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and start the shop vac so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's pretty crazy. I gotta say that, I'm impressed with, my name is Manny, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna, make myself a name for YouTube, like Manny the Mechanic or something like that. I'm really not a mechanic. I took some classes. I'm not a tech. I took some classes and I learned a few things. But you know, I just search for information and I make it happen. You know, that's what I do. Ex-Army, engineer, we make things happen. So, all right. So now I'm gonna turn on this vac, this shop vac, and I have it on the top hose here. That means it's gonna push air out. I got my thing over here sealed up, nice and sealed, and voila, here we go. All right, now we are gonna go underneath the vehicle, and we're gonna I'm gonna show you how serious this leak is. I'm gonna try to get some paper or something. I'm gonna get something I can actually put under the vehicle. Probably this, so you can see what we're working with. So I got safety first. Got my jack stand underneath. Now we're going under. I don't know how good. This is my first time doing a video, but this is where we're going. All right, let me grab my paper. As you can see, I got air coming from here. It's a huge hole, and I'm gonna try to get a better view. That's like at one of the cracks. So there's air going everywhere from here. I also noticed that there was some. That's one. I came down this way. And I noticed a small hole over here. I'm gonna walk down this way and feel for some more holes. I don't feel anything down this way. This looks clear. I'm gonna try and make my way a little further down this way. I'm not feeling. Whoa, whoa, that's a big hole. Let me get that paper. You keep it. You hear that? Wow, what a hole. I was breathing in all those. I'm coming up this way to see if I feel anything else for now. But yeah, that is pretty bad. Hey, I'm not the best camera guy at this, but that's a hole. Wow. So and this is almost all around the top of this. So that's why I was getting air to the cabin. I was getting that funky smell of exhaust. Wow. I'm gonna just slide back here and see if. Whoa! Oh no. Okay, ladies, I've read about this one. There's a small hole here, but that's for condensation. You don't mess with that. It's actually on the. Looks like on the muffler end of the thing. They leave a small hole here so that condensation doesn't build up. All right. I'm gonna keep coming this way. Whoa, man! It's a. We got leaks all up in this thing. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to let you guys go. I'm gonna have to start marking this stuff. I'll be right back.